Yeah, I'm glad to just give overview of Roland ES7. Maybe many of you may be knowing a lot of about Arranger keyboards who are using Arranger keyboards of other brands and Roland. Just can I know how many of them you are keyboard players and teachers? Just can you raise your hand and just I would like to know how many of you are keyboard player and teacher. So everybody are getting shy to introduce themselves. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Uh, okay, before starting, just I would like to tell you one thing. As per our information, it's an arranger keyboard. But I would like to tell you one thing. It's not only an arranger keyboard. It is been compared with synthesizer. It is an compact synthesizer because it is having very good sampling function available with it. Means professional sampling functions, which is not available in any arranger keyboard in India. You can easily sample any of your sound, any tone. Means any tone you can grab it into wave format and directly use is that as a sample, and you can play it on the key. Okay, regarding that I will demonstrate you a little demonstration of the sampling, how the sampling is easy with just importing wave function. Before that I will just give you the overview of this Roland ES7. Actually it has dedicated two LED. Means one left side LED is dedicated to the styles section, and the right one it has been divided to tones and other functions for the sampling options and everything. And it has given very detailed buttons in the button. Just you can see all the buttons are details. If you want to go to into any menu or just you want to go to any function, you don't have to go enter back and all the thing. You get all the you guys get all the thing right on the board. You can see. Is it possible? Yeah. No problem. We are having a lot of buttons because very useful functions are there. And along with that, you're getting around 600 styles, preset style, and you can create your own styles as per your requirement, as per your regional music. You can create your own style, which you can be developing all the styles into four intro part, four main variation, and ending. Means around 16 rhythm patterns are there into one style. Okay, after coming to the tone section, you are getting around 1500 preset sound. Along with preset sound you get good tones, Indian sound, which are useful for our Indian music. And along with that you can use up to 256 user patches into it. And with the sample, for the sample function I would like to tell you, you are getting 128 MB of memory. Into it you can sample 512 tones, means 512 tones as a tone. Okay, just I would like to introduce some of the Indian sound first. See, just bro, just show the screen. You can get. They have categorized the tone: India, Vietnam, Indonesia. In India, you get directly. You can jump to the Indian sound. You're getting the sound, Manojji? Is keyboard is coming? This was the harmonium. They have categorized harmonium into three parts. Harmonium 2. Harmonium 3. This harmonium is been combined with three reeds, three different reeds: low, mid, and higher range reed. Okay. Along with this, I will play some styles which have been dedicated to Indian styles and for Indian users. Second variation. So, just I would like to explain you, with every style you get four variations which are being given by some of our Indian user. But the thing, important thing for you, that you can design your own styles by your, as per your need of your regional music, and each thing you can, is it possible in there. So let us check with the sampling, which is the most important function. I would like to share you all the thing. Bro, is there any person who is using keyboard for production? Well, who else is using keyboard, means who is interested into production or using software for developing music? Anyone in, is there? No one is there? Just I want to share you some sampling option, how easy it is into the ES7. Just come here. Come here. So you you will be evidence of mine, how fast we are doing the sampling version. Just come here. Just please give him a big hand. Please come here. Okay. Just what we will do, first clean up all the sample what we are having. Yeah. Now it's free. Okay. Actually, I have grabbed some sample from my library to show you the demonstration, to give you the demonstration, because on the live stages, it is not possible to take any sample directly, because we need some studio setup and all thing to get the proper sample. Okay, just I am starting the sampling input function. Yeah, I'm having two type of samples I have been carrying with me. One is of Indian harmonium and another is of sitar. First, I will go for sample for harmonium. We will check. Now it's executing. It is been copied, getting copied to the internal memory. But it is the internal sound, not our sound. I will show you how we can do it for our internal sound. Okay. Here we get out from here, and we will go to the user. For the user, you can see we have empty patches. And we will go to the enter edit function of this. Okay. Here we have option of selecting sample from internal bank or sampling or preset. We will select the preset one. Okay. See. Sample which we grabbed it. You can just have a look how it is sounding. Just play something. We have just grabbed the sample. We have to edit it. That is lot of the thing. So, sir. you can do with the sample import, and you can use it as an user tone, which is a means very important function nowadays, which we are looking for, making a good synthesizer for need. We are making try to make some good content for our live performance, which is here with EA7. It is not just an arranger. I would like to explain you one thing. This arranger keyboard is being combined with good synthesizer, which is one of the good strong point to have this arranger with you. Okay. How does it sound? Can we go for some another sample if you need? Okay, just now we will try for another sample. Again, we will go to the sample import function. We will go to sitar sample. Okay, any sample you need? No, yeah, I have taken. Do you have any other sample? You can take it. Or live sampling is very easy into it. It has auto triggering function sampling. Yeah. You can also have any of your favorite sample from any keyboard. Sir, please, please don't make noise. Hello, can you just please maintain silence? Uday ji. Yeah. So you can grab any of your sample from any of your favorite keyboard or any favorite instrument. If you play anything like guitar, flute, you can grab your own sample, any of the note you require on your keyboard to be play the same sample. You can play that sample directly without any issue, because the Roland ES7, which the sampler is, it's having the sampling machine which is there is in ES7. It's very bright. It's give you bright sampling without you don't have to do more any hard work onto it. It directly gets on the keyboard, and it is very easy to play. Okay, just we will take another sitar sample. Just do it. I will guide you. Yeah.
So can we record the samples directly into the keyboard?
Yeah.
We can do that.
Yeah. Just for that only, I was looking for if anyone is having harmonium or violin like that. We can. I will show you that function. No problem.
You are actually importing from filter, right? So I'm asking.
Yeah.
From the mic by giving you some voices.
Yeah.
We can make it.
We can guitar, but we need that power amp output, or we can take guitar pad also.
So can we record through this mic?
No, we can't directly. So I don't know the issue of the dynamic or some different kind of mic. Manoj, just can you explain which kind of mic we need to put into it? High dynamics mic. Okay. Okay, now we have got sitar sample. Check. Okay. Now we will go to our user function. Again, we will edit it. Edit the sample. Go. Sitar. I think we have got some issue with the sampling. Do you want me to sample something now directly?
If possible.
Yeah, it's possible. I will show you how it is possible. Manoj, just can you give me one output from your processor? See, I will show you. Come here. Direct sampling. It has auto triggering function. as the person who play sampling directly any sound, it starts sampling automatically.
So we do not assign it to the keys.
No, it's auto mapping, but you should take first C4. C4 will be good. For multi-sampling, it automatically remap the keys. Yeah. Manoj ji. We will keep auto trigger function on. Just please. No. Again, I would like to have your that sample. Just I need C4 note. Yeah, play once. Okay. This is the sample. We will store it. Okay, this bro has got the awareness how the sample is easy with this ES7, and we can use directly sample to the keyboard, and this was all with the functions. Yeah, or you can create your own style. You can create your new tones into sample format, multi-sample format, and that was all from my side regarding ES7. And now I would like to invite Mr. Manoj Patel for the guitar section. Thank you very much.